Today we're going to be making 4 DIY non-toxic household cleaners that are going to cost you pennies to the dollar. Now let's get started. Why even make your own DIY non-toxic cleaners when you can just pop over to Amazon or the store and buy them? Well, you can, and I will show you some options at the end that I like to use, but you probably have most of these things in your pantry and in your fridge, and they're going to cost you pennies to make, and you know that you're not getting any harmful chemicals in your house and on your body. That's the problem with most household cleaners right now on the market. They have phthalates, they have fragrances, they have bleach, ammonia, and so many other harmful chemicals that seep into your skin when you're using them, go into the air, you're breathing them in, and it's just not great for you. But you don't have to use them when you can just make your own. It's super simple, so let's make them. And before we get going, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and hit those alerts because I have more great videos coming for you about everything health, wellness, and less toxic living. Get started. Now, I started making a lot of my own products at home because I was reacting so badly to so many of them. I would break out in rashes and in hives because they have so many harmful ingredients. And right now, realistically, a lot of people are experiencing the same things. And I realized I don't want my kids breathing that stuff in. I don't want to be breathing it in. And why not just make something at home when it's super easy to do and it's a lot better for you. So once I started, I never stopped. So our first household cleaner that we're gonna make is a citrus vinegar concentrate. This is my favorite one to use around the house. It smells great, super easy to make. So I have a whole bunch of peels left here from lemons, from cuties, and from oranges. So when you are making juices or you're eating these fruits, just save the peels, leave them in the fridge until you have enough to make this concentrate. So you're just going to fill the jar with all of your lemon and orange and cutie peels. So this is great because citrus and lemon have a lot of antimicrobial properties, so they're great to use for a household cleaner. And because it's going to sit on your shelf for 2 weeks, it's really going to infuse that vinegar and get rid of that potent smell, and it's going to have more of a citrusy smell. And then we're going to take our vinegar, and all we do is just pour it over until it's completely full with vinegar. And then you just close it with a lid, and you put this on the shelf for about 2 weeks so the citrus can infuse the vinegar, and it's going to smell great. At the end, it's going to look like this. It's going to have this beautiful golden color. You can put it in a glass spray bottle. You can use it on floors, countertops, windows, bathrooms. It works so great. It's all-purpose. You're gonna love it. My number 2 go-to household cleaner is going to be a baking soda paste, and you need just 2 ingredients. It's just water and baking soda. Now, you can add some essential oils. Sometimes I like to add tea tree and lemon, but this is totally optional, and make sure that you know how to use these essential oils safely for pets and kids. Let's get started. So all you need for this is a heaping tablespoon of baking soda, and you can put more if you need to use more. And you just need a couple drops of water, making it into this kind of thick paste. Mix it up. Now just take a brush or a microfiber towel, and this works great to clean grout, to clean sinks, to clean tables. It really is amazing, and it's like cents to make. Now, if you want to add essential oils, all you need is a drop. I usually use tea tree because it has antimicrobial properties, so you just add 1 drop, mix it in, and it smells amazing. You can also do lemon and any other essential oil, but as I said, make sure that you know which ones you're allowed to use with pets and kids around. And there you have it. It took 5 seconds to make, and it works just as good as any other household cleaner. Our next one is only 2 ingredients, super easy to make, and I'm pretty sure you have it in your fridge. All you need is some baking soda and the juice of 1 lemon. So this is gonna work great on stove tops, cleaning out your dishwasher, sinks, and even countertops. You need a half a cup of baking soda and the juice of 1 lemon. And you're gonna see it fizz up. You're gonna mix it up. And then using a brush or a towel, you can clean your stovetops, sinks, countertops. It smells really good, has no bad chemicals in it, works really great. Now, last but not least, if you really just wanna put 2 seconds of work into it and you don't wanna do all of this infusion stuff, I'm going to give you the easiest and fastest household cleaner that you can make. Now, this is going to be the easiest household cleaner you can make. It's going to be half a bottle of vinegar and a half a bottle of water with 2 drops of lemon essential oils. If you don't have essential oils, you can also just drop a little bit of lemon juice. And this is gonna work great on countertops, on floors, on walls, everywhere. It's amazing and it's super easy to make. That took about 2 seconds. Put it in a spray bottle. I can get this closed. And just like that, we've created 4 DIY non-toxic household cleaners with things that you had in your pantry and in your fridge. Now, I did mention that I was going to give you some options if you just want to go buy some household cleaners. I do have some favorites that I think are cleaner than other companies. The first one is this Truly Free. I use it for laundry detergent, but they also have a great all-purpose cleaner, dishwasher cleaner, and the ingredients are pretty good. Next is this Force of Nature. It doesn't cost too much. You can buy those little capsules to keep remaking it at home. It's pretty easy to do, and I do love using it at home often. And then there's Branch Basics. It's also a really clean company, love their stuff, smells really good, and they have hand soaps, dishwasher soaps, concentrates, and everything else. If you guys want to learn more about how to make your own DIY ingredients, check out my ebook where I will link it below, where I have 100 DIY non-toxic products that you can make at home. This is just another easy way to make sure that your home is a little less toxic. Thank you guys for joining along, and I hope you guys love this, and let me know if you guys make them and how you like them. And comment in the section below what you guys use for household cleaners. I'm actually really curious to know. Don't forget to check out this video for 7 ways to detox your home, and I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.